going to discuss about a chapter 11, construction chapter. In this construction chapter, we need a geometry box. Here, important geometry instruments are we needed for a scale, a compass, and a protractor. We are needed. So first question, exercise 11.1. First question, they tells that here. Draw a line segment. Measurement is given as a 7.6 centimeter and it divide into ratio. Ratio also they give a ratio as a 5:8 is the that line segment is divided into ratio as a 5:8. Then find out the measures. Measures also find out that dividing line segment is dividing that dividing part measurement also they ask to find. That is the meaning of the first question. How to construct means first take out our scale. Scale take out how much line segment measurement they ask to find 7.6. So using scale draw 7.6 centimeter 0 to 7.6 centimeter draw and mark any alphabet. Mark it as A and B. How much measurement? Total measurement is 7.6 centimeter. Then next process here total ratio. What is the total ratio here? Total ratio is equal to sum of that two ratio 5 plus 8 become how much? 13. So next procedure is draw an acute angle. What about acute angle? Less than 90 degree measurement we call it as an acute angle. So here draw an acute angle from A to draw an acute angle. Acute angle drawing. Like this. Just to know measurement, nothing is simply draw an acute angle. Name it as BAX and AX represent as our ray. AX is a ray, BAX is an acute angle. Then here total ratio is how much? 13. Ratio is given as 5:8. 5 plus 8 to become how much? Total ratio become 30. Meaning our in the BX ray divide into 13 pieces. So in how to divide means 1 centimeter take and divide it from 0 to 0. Keep it on A point. Divide into 13. Yeah. 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter, again next 1 centimeter, 1, like this way, 13 points, our points are marking, 13 points are marking, and you name as A1, A2, basis of here, which point here marking vertex and A point marking, basis of that alphabet we are marking as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A up to A13, you name as like that, A3, A4, A5, this point mark it as A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, then this 13th point mark it as here 30, like this way we are marking. Okay, we are marking the 13 point. What is our aim? Draw here line segment draw and divide it into 5:8 ratio and dividing that dividing part measurement they asking. So how to divide means first of all we join the B and the total ratio is how much? 13. 13 means A13. We give name as 13 centimeter point. We give name as A13. So B and A13 we just join. Just you simply join the B and A13 like this. B and A13 point are joining. Next our aim is to draw a parallel line. How to draw the parallel line means parallel line for BA3. How to draw means here which ratio is given? First ratio is 5. 5 means not simplify A5. We mark that point as A5. From A5 to draw a parallel line to which is line B A13. B A13 line parallel line means two lines never intersect in that way. Parallel lines we want to draw. Here in this way simply drawing me somewhat distance after they will intersect. That's why it is not a parallel lines. Parallel lines means that lines never intersecting. How to draw means two method you can apply. Directly from A5 to joined and draw a parallel line, or another method directly means here A5 to just joined with a parallel line. Like this way you can draw. Or otherwise how to draw means a parallel lines. How to draw means take out your compass, then one arc draw. Arc how to draw means this two arms are there, A13 and B A13.2 lines are there, line segments are there. Through that line segment vertex comes as A13. Keep a compass on A13 like this, joined and draw no measurement, nothing, simply join an arc, then A5 was center and draw same arc draw. Same here, in which way we draw the same arc draw. That same measurement taken in the long arc we draw the second arc. Okay, through that point join. In this way also you can do. Anyway, directly draw a parallel line or arc taking and draw the arc. How to take here A13 as the vertex. Keep your compass on A13 and simply draw an arc. Same measurement taken. A5 as center and draw. A5 we take here a ratio given as a first ratio as 5. That's why 5 means A5. A5 as center, draw an arc. Second arc how to draw? This long arc as center, second arc to draw. Then through that two points, adjust your scale, not exactly that point. Adjust your scale and parallel lines, not intersecting. Parallel lines. This parallel only. They anyhow they are extending means they never intersect. In that way you must and should adjust your scale and draw a parallel lines. That point, cutting point, you can mark it as AC. Then measure. That is a question. Measure A2. This AB line 7.6 centimeter and we cut into two parts. Then measure it. A2C distance, how much? A2C distance become 2.9 centimeter and C2B distance measure it to become how much? 4.7 centimeter. A2C distance become measuring time, cutting A2C measurement is 2.9, C2B scale user measuring time distance become how much? 4.7 centimeter. That is our question. Measure and write down the measurement. Then steps also. Procedure. We need steps. How to write this step? What is our first step? First step, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. What name we given? AB is our line segment. How much centimeter? 7.6 centimeter line segment. So second step, next process what we done? Draw an acute angle. Draw an acute angle. Acute angle. Which name we give? BAX is an acute angle. BAX is an acute angle. BAX on where we mark on base. Which is our base? BA is our base. BA is our base. Using that base, BAX is our acute angle. Mark the ray AX. Then afterwards we mark a ray AX. Here arrow ray means one initial point and the side is extending. So AX is our array. This is our second step. Third step, how we constructing doing there. And next step, mark how many points? 13 points. Mark 13 points. Where we mark? On ray AX. On ray AX we mark 13 points. Which are the 13 points? A1, A2, A3, etc. up to A13. In this way, in ray AX we mark A1, A2, A3, A4 up to A13 we are marking. Each of them difference is how much? 1 said they all points have a same measure. That means A to A1 distance, A to A1 distance, A1 to A2 distance all are equal. A2 to A3 distance all are equal, etc. Our A12 to A13 are equal distance. They are in a equal distance only. Then next step, fourth step, how we can write? Next afterwards, what step procedure we done? Draw A13 or join B A13. Just we join B and A13 points are joining. Fifth step, draw in which way? CA5 parallel to B A13. CA5 draw CA5. This line is parallel to which line? B A13 line. Then we also measure. What is a measuring? A measurement become here AC is equal to how much we have? 9 centimeter, and CB distance is how much? 4.7. 2.9 plus 4.7 become how much? 7.6 centimeter. I hope you can understand how to write the steps. What are the process we done for construction doing? The steps we are writing in this way. Measurement also they ask. So measurement of A to C distance is 2.9 and C to B distance will become 4.7 centimeter. Then sometimes in question they asking justification also. Justification how to do means justification. Next one is justification. Justification how to do means here how many triangles are formed there? 2. Which are they? A5C is our first triangle. First triangle is A5C. And which is a second triangle? A13 is our second triangle. Next chapter we going to learn about the triangle chapter, BPT theorem. There we can learn. Here just you listen, that's all. Here BPT theorem applying. By BPT theorem says that any line drawn on a triangle on the two sides of a triangle it divide into equal ratios. They divide into equal ratios. That's why already we says that A5C is parallel to which side? B A30. Already we says that they are parallel. So by BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem means next chapter, 6th chapter we can learn BPT theorem. Here how to write a ratio wise, write AC by CB is equal to A5 by, it divide into equal ratio. AC by CB is equal to A5 by A5 to A13. A5 to A30. What about A to A5 distance? How much distance it cover? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter distance. So 5 by A5 to A30, how much distance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 distance. So 5 by 8 ratio. That's why ratio wise writing time AC by CB is equal to how much we have? 5 by 8. Ratios they ask. So what we can conclude? AC by CB ratio is equal to 5:8 is our ratio. This is our first question. Justification also low in time. AC to CB ratio because how much we have? 5:8. That is of course 5:8 ratio we are getting. Then next second question. Second question that tells about construct a triangle. Measurement also they given 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Sides measurement is giving, and the scale factor also giving them. Scale factor they given as a 2 by 3. Scale factor they given as a 2 by. Then they ask to draw a similar triangle. Similar triangle they ask to draw 2 by 3. How to draw means the same process only. How to draw means first our aim is to, with the help of the 3-side measurement, original triangle construction doing. Next afterwards draw an acute angle. Then in an acute angle some ray also marking. Then basis of a scale factor denominator we mark the points. Here a denominator is which point? 3. So 3 points are marking and joining and parallel lines drawing like this. That is the procedure. So how to do that? But first basis of this part we can construct an original triangle which is the highest measurement 6 cm. So with the help of scale 6 centimeter, take 6 centimeter, 0 to 6 centimeter. Usually triangle construction doing time BC comes as our down. Here alphabet also not given, triangle name not there. That's why we only decide any triangle name we can give. ABC is our triangle. So BC take as a base and A point comes on the top point. So we can mark here as a B and this part mark it as a C. Then next our aim is to construct A point. A point how to construct? Take out your compass. Here B to C distance is 6 centimeter. Then AB distance we can take it as 4 centimeter. Here next measurement is how much? 6 completed. Next is 4. Using scale and compass 4 centimeter measure 0 to 4 centimeter. B as and draw a 4 centimeter. Next measurement is 5 centimeter. Take a 0 to 5 centimeter distance. 0 to 5 centimeter. Then C as and second arc draw. Second arc. Both are intersecting point our required alphabet A. Then joining A to B and A to C. Joining simply you join A to B and A to C. A to B and we get A to B and A to C are joining. In this way, this is our A point. This is ABC is our original triangle. What they ask you to find? Draw a similar triangle. Similar triangle, how to draw? Same procedure. Draw an acute angle. BC as a base. Draw an acute angle. Draw an acute angle. So small enough. Acute angle. Draw an acute angle. And a mark which is our acute angle C, B and X is our acute angle. That means BX is our ray. In that BX ray, how many points we want to mark? 3. 3 is a small points. Previous question 13 points we want to mark. That's why 1 centimeter take and we mark the arc points. Here 3 points only. That's why for a convenient big diagram we need. That's why here each one 1.5 centimeter take 1.5 centimeter distance take 3 arc. Here denominator is 3. That's why we want to mark 3 centimeter 3 arc we want to mark in this way and give basis of here alpha, here which alpha B. So first point we give name as B1, second point B2, third point B3. Why we put 3 points? Why? Because in scale factor denominator is 3. Basis of denominator we mark the points. Always small less points means 1.5 centimeter radius is convenient for draw the arc. Then only clear diagram will get it. 1 centimeter take means small diagram only getting. Then B3 to C, simply first we join the B3 to C. Then remember in scale factor, numerator is lesser than the denominator. Our similar triangle comes inside our origin. Which is original triangle? ABC is our original triangle. So inside of ABC triangle, our similar triangle will come in. In which case? Scale factor. In scale factor, numerator is lesser than the denominator case. Then next what is our aim? Draw a parallel line. How to draw the parallel line? 2 methods I say. Directly parallel line draw your arc take and construct. Directly how to do? Basis of numerator which number they given 2. 2 means not symbol 2. B2. Through B2 adjust your scale and draw a parallel line to B3C. Parallel to our B3C. In direct way or another method in which way? B3 as center, draw a ray like this. B3 as center, draw a ray like this. B3 as center, draw a ray. And B2 as center, same ray. We want to draw B2 as center. Why? Because numerator is 2, that's why. And through that point, bigger arc also we can draw. They are cutting this point. Through that point joined with a straight line. Then we get a part. So here cutting point you can give. Here C means here you can mark it as a C dash. So down part okay. Now also similar triangle not complete. Similar triangle how to complete here inside only coming already I said. Here also adjust your scale. Directly draw the parallel line to AC or arc wise you can directly means adjust your scale parallel to AC line, not intersecting line. Parallel line, anyhow they are extending a somewhat distance, they never intersecting. They are looking like a parallel and that way. Their cutting point you can mark it as a dash. Directly you can draw your arc construction which way? C as center, draw an arc. C as center, draw an arc. Then same arc C dash as center, same arc draw. Then through that point second arc draw. Then through that point join. So this part is, so our similar triangle where it is A dash B, C dash comes as our similar triangle. How much the scale factor? 2/3 of the our big triangle ABC. A dash B C dash is the all sides of a triangle. A dash B C dash is equal to the 2/3 of the side of triangle ABC. That is the meaning. This is the construction of the second. This is our similar triangle. This is our similar triangle. So steps, what are the process we are doing for construction? First step is here a construct construct a triangle, we give name as a ABC. What are the measurement? Here we take a BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Next AB side we consider 4 centimeter. Next AC side we consider 5 centimeter. We draw an original triangle. Then afterwards construction ABC, construct after next process what we done, draw an acute angle, draw an acute angle, we give name as a which CBX, where we draw on the base, which is our base, BC is our base, on the base BC. Then mark a ray, mark the ray, which ray we give name as a BX, BX is our ray. Then third step, mark how many points a basis of scale factor, how much denominator of a scale factor is 3, mark 3 points, 3 points. Each of them how much distance we take, 1.5 centimeter. Just you for your knowledge mark it as 1.5 centimeter. Mark on where we mark that 3 points, mark on ray BX. We mark that 3 points on a BX ray. Then each of them distance in which way, B1, B2, B1, B2, B1, B1 to B2, B2 to B3, all are a same distance. So B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B. Each of them distance are equal 1.5, 1.5, 1.5 centimeter. Fourth point. Then afterwards the next process what we done, join B3C, B3 to C point we are just joining after next process what here done, draw a parallel line. Next fifth step, draw which one, C dash B2, C dash B2 parallel to which line, CB3, CB3, C dash B2 parallel to CB3. Sixth point we get, so joining time we get, and the same way next what we want to do, draw another one here also, C dash A dash, C dash A dash parallel to CA. There also second here top part also, draw C dash A dash parallel to which line, AC line or CA line. Then seventh step what we can say here, joining them we get required similar triangle, which is a similar triangle, A dash B C dash is our, A dash B C dash is our similar triangle. We get A dash B C dash similar triangle. This is our procedure. Here also sometimes in question they asking justification also. How to justify justification? How to here also BPT theorem apply. For BPT theorem applied, we need how many triangles? 2 triangles. So which are the 2 triangles here? 2 triangles are A dash B C dash and ABC are the 2 triangles. Our triangle name as A dash B C dash and second triangle name it as ABC is our 2 triangle. One is ABC is our original triangle, A dash B C dash is our similar triangle. Here already we know that A dash C dash is parallel to which side? AC side. Already we proved that in a step we are written that A dash C dash is parallel to AC. By BPT theorem, basic proportional theorem, how we can write that parallel line divide into equal ratio. So we can write it as A dash B by AB is equal to, next part how we can write BC dash by, here see A dash B one side, this side A dash B is equal to AB side, and BC dash is equal to BC. So ratio wise they are divided in equal ratios. Then A dash B by AB is equal to BC dash by BC. Then but we know that here downwards see in down part BC dash by BC is equal to BC dash by BC side is equal to downwards B2 by a BB3 see BB2 by a BB3 equal revise, but we know that BC baseline BC C dash is equal by BC is equal to BB2 by a B3, but here see B2 how much BB2 how much distance? 1 and 2. Then B3 distance is how much? 1 and 2 by 3. So this value substitute here. So we can substitute here. You mark it as equation 1. Substitute instead of BC dash by BC place which value we can substitute. So A dash B by AB substitute. Put in equation 1. Equation 1 substitute is equal to how much we got? 2 by 3. Instead of BC dash by BC place we can substitute 2 by 3. That means AB part cross multiply and how much we get in there? So we can write A dash B is equal to our similar triangle side is equal to 2 by 3 of our original triangle side. A dash B side is equal to 2 by 3 part of our original triangle AB. So we proved that. So what we can similarly what we can say here our similar triangle, which is a similar triangle A dash B C dash is equal to how much is there is all sides of similarly all sides of triangle A dash B C dash is equal to 2 by 3 of sides of which triangle? Original triangle ABC, sides of triangle ABC. Similarly, all sides of a triangle A dash B C dash is a singular triangle is equal to 2 by 3 part of sides of a triangle ABC. This is our justification. I hope you can understand this question. The remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.